In the first part of this course, we shall be doing the UI UX design of our chat application. What is UI UX design? It is a special graphic design that is made to represent our application. Just a representative of our application, and it is designed by a special graphic designing tools. We can use Adobe XD, we can use Figma, and a lot of them. Some people use Photoshop, but the most professional ones that are available are Figma and Adobe XD. In our own case, we shall be using Figma. And why do we choose Figma over Adobe XD? The reason why we choose Figma Adobe XD, because it is, you can use it in all platform, Windows, Ubuntu, Linux, Android. You can use it in all platform. It is free. You don't have to subscribe or pay for it. That is one part of it that I love so much. It is totally free, and it is collaborative, means two people can be working on one project remotely from different location. You can be in Lagos, I can be in Canada. We can be working on one project live. That is why it's called what? A collaborative software. It is very fast. It's not a very heavy software that will just be lagging your system down. So that is the reason why we are going to be using what? Figma. Well, the scope or the objective of this course, we shall be downloading and installing the software. We shall sign up, or if you have already signed up, we sign in into the software. We'll create a new file and selecting the frame. That is, we make a frame that the frame is like the size of the design. It could be an Android frame, it could be a desktop frame. Then compositing and designing, it's adding all those contents like pictures, shapes, rectangles to make up how our design is going to look like. Then we can then create more frames, like perhaps our application is having more than one frames, like the chat application we are going to build is going to have more than one frame. There are two. We have the login frame and the charts frame. When we come to that place, you understand more. Then the other part is prototyping. Prototyping is connecting or making the design look active, like making it to move. Or that is where experience come to play. The experience that a user have anytime they enters into the application. Then playing or previewing, after we have done our design and we have done our prototyping, we are going to play it to look to see it through a mobile device or a desktop device or the platform which we use to make the design. So these are the objective of this course. Let's go straight away. Following this process: downloading, installing, signing up, creating new files, selecting the right frame, compositing and designing, creating more frames, prototyping, playing and previewing. Let's get started.